Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2018 Nissan Armada. We're going to start right away up front where you have factory fog lamps, front parking sensors, going to keep you nice and safe. I'll look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Bridgestone dualer tires, running boards on the side, inside leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Second row and third row seating, so plenty of room for the whole family. Up top you do have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side. Then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera on the back here. Taking a look inside of the hatch now. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down. Power assist lift gate, so with simply the press of that button, hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full stereo, that includes your navigation as well. Dual climate control and dual heated seats. And your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Nissan on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.